Okay, so you are going to get a square sheet of paper, and you are going to want to take the bottom and you want to make it meet the top, just like that, so the two edges line up, and then you come back here to the center and you want to crease. You want to press the paper down off one side, go off the other. Okay, now you want to take this edge and make it meet this edge. So you're closing it like a book. And then you want to crease right here. Okay? And then you want to write your name on it in your code. And you want to flip it over. And here is where you will draw the environment that you want your ladybug to live in. So, the thing that's tricky, right here, this middle crease, you want to draw your environment mainly above this crease, okay? This is all just going to be the ground. So, for me, I want my ladybug to live in a grassy area, so I'm going to draw blades of grass. Notice how I'm way up here on the paper above my middle crease. Okay. Normally when we draw, we think of like drawing the grass down at the bottom of the paper, but for this project we want it above the paper. And I want to draw some flowers. And you could even draw clouds up in your sky. You could draw a rainbow up in your sky. I could draw a bumblebee. Whatever I want to draw here. Remember, this is a natural environment, so it should deal with nature. Okay, ladybugs live in nature. Alright, once that is complete, you want to outline all of that with a Sharpie. Okay, so I've colored the top part. Now you do not want to leave this bottom part all white. You do want to color this in. So obviously I need to color in my grass. Okay, now here's the interesting part. So I'm going to draw a line. I can see my fold mark right here, right down the center. I'm going to draw a line here. And I'm actually just going to color in this side. I'm going to leave this side blank, okay? And I want you guys to do the same thing. Now yours might not be grass, yours might be water, yours might be rocks, whatever your ground is. You want to use that color and color this entire square. And just trust me on this. You'll know why in a second. Okay, so now that I've colored that, now what you're going to do is you're actually going to take some scissors and you're going to cut right on this line, but you're going to stop right there in the middle. You don't want to go past that point. So I stop there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this flat piece of paper stand up on itself. So it's going to become three-dimensional, 3D. When it's 3D, it pops up. So I need some glue in order for that to work. So you want to put glue on this white part of the paper, the part that you did not color. So I'm going to make a frame. Then I'll make the letter X on the inside. And you want to lift this part up, and you're going to fold, you're going to kind of slide the white part under, put the colored part on top. And you're going to lay that down, and you want to hold that down and press. And let it hold. Hold it for at least 10 seconds. Okay, so now I have an environment where my ladybug can live. So I put my ladybug right there. And there you go. Now it's in its home, okay? It's in its environment.